Hello friends, my name is Namita Devi and I welcome you to my Excel club. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can get the number of working days between two given days. We have one beautiful formula in Excel which is called network days, which will give you the result. Let's see how it works. This formula has three arguments: start date, end date and holidays. The third argument is optional. If you have only start and end date, you can provide both of them and you can ignore the list of holidays that you have. So let's see how it works. Say suppose I have start date 7th July, end date 14th July. So if I want to know how many working days I have between 7th July and 14th July, this formula will help me out. One very important thing is this formula by default automatically excludes weekends, which is Saturday and Sunday. So let's apply the formula equal to net work days. It is asking the first argument start date, which is 7 July, comma, the end date, which is 14 July, and I will close the bracket, press enter. This is giving me 6 working days. Let's see it on the calendar. Alright, in this calendar, my start date was 7th July and end date was 14th July. So it gives me the result of 6 working days. So here you can see it excludes the 10th and 11th July, which is Saturday and Sunday. So from 7 to 14, it counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it returns 6 working days. Let's see if I have some list of holidays, like I already have applied here 12th July and 13th July. So again put the formula equal to net work days. My start date is 7th July, comma, my end date is 14th July, and I also want to exclude the list of holidays that are coming between my start and end date, which is 12th July and 13th July. You can provide it individually or you can provide it as a range. Close the bracket and press enter. It returns 4 working days. So let's see it on the calendar. You can see here, let me zoom in. All right. So my start date is 7th July, my end date is 14th July, and my holidays you can see here is 12th and 13th July. So 12th and 13th July are my holidays, so it counts 1, 2, 3 and 4 and returns there are 4 working days between 7th July and 14th July, excluding your weekend and holidays. The date that you have provided as start and end, it counts it as first and last date. So that's all about this network days function. You can calculate the number of working days that you have between two specific dates, excluding your weekends, Saturday, Sunday, and excluding your holidays. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.